Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Grid X2 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to change the time and date on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, you can press the back button to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called time and date. And once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here we have time, date format and first day of the week. First let's tap on the time option, and here we can select the time format. I prefer 24 hours, but you can select 12 hours if you like to. And here we can set the time we want to have on our watch. To set it, swipe up and down on the hours, then minutes. And once you're done, tap on the check mark to confirm. Next we have the date. Tap on it, and to change the date, simply again swipe up and down on months, days, and then year, and then tap on the check mark to confirm. Next we have the date format. We can change the how the date is basically formatted on our watch, and you have a couple options as you can see. So select one you like, and then we have the first day of the week, and we have Monday, Saturday or Sunday. Select the one you like, and once you're done, of course, you can press the back button to go back to watch face, and as you can see, the changes apply. And that's how you change the time on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.